All right, guys, so today I want to do a quick review on my Rubyloo Pet Backpack. This has to be super convenient. So we travel with our pet a lot, our dog Millie, and like sometimes honestly we just put some of her stuff like in like a regular like plastic bag. But like with this backpack, it's a complete game changer. So I'm just gonna go over some of the cool features that it has because you need to get you one. So one of the things that it comes with is this storage container. And it's perfect for storing their dog food or cat food. As you can see, we already have ours filled up. So that's convenient to have. And then it comes with this one right here. This one's perfect for like treats and things of that nature. It has this side pocket here so you can keep your doggy bags right here ready to go. And I just want to show the inside. Like, I love this color scheme of the black and the red. This does not come with it, but it also, you can, like, we keep her water bottle here ready to go. And my favorite part, because a lot of times we get to the hotels and we never know like where to put her, like her water, her food. Check this out. They're super cool. One more item here. This right here. Literally this mat, you set it down. Check it out. Now you have 2 bowls ready to go. We'll go ahead and fill this one up with food. We'll get some water for this one. And you're literally good to go. And just to give you kind of an idea for this backpack, like it literally can fit my laptop in there, no problem. So we can take her stuff, take some of my stuff, and it's all good to go. The quality of this backpack is probably better than some of my regular backpacks. So, and just like that, my dog Millie approves of this Rubyloo backpack. She definitely thinks it's a 10 out of 10, especially for the dog treats storage container.